Hey friends, it's JW Rader with eXp Realty and welcome to your April Austin real estate market update. We are seeing some continued shifts in the market here in Austin. And so whether you're thinking about buying, selling, just trying to stay informed, the trends are definitely worth paying attention to just as you look to see where your real estate journey takes you. So breaking down April numbers, we're going to compare this to last month and to last year to see what's changing as we move deeper into the spring market. So comparing to last month first, the number of home sales starting off there, April saw 2,760 home sales in 2025. Compared to last year, that's down 17.2% from this same time. Now it is up slightly compared to last month when we had 2,701 home sales. So slight uptick in how quickly things are moving compared to last month, but still lagging behind that spring market from a year ago. Now looking at pricing, the median sales price in April was $439,990. That's down 1.6% year over year, but up about $10,000 from March. So while home prices definitely aren't skyrocketing, they're also not going way down, they're not collapsing. Price per square foot came in at $263, which is down about 2.3% from last year, but up slightly from March as well. So this suggests pricing is stabilizing a little bit, but still reflecting year over year, definitely softening, particularly in that mid-market range, the top and bottom not so much affected. Days on market, 32 days this month. Pretty notable drop from 44 this time last month. So definitely moving a little bit quicker, but if you're not pricing your home correctly, if you're not making sure to price aggressively as these prices come down, your home will still sit on the market. So what does this all mean? So for buyers, you've still got leverage. Sales activity is slower than normal and the price per square foot is down from last year, meaning you can buy more house for less money. But homes are still starting to sell a little bit faster as we get into that spring market. So if you find something you love, it's probably still not in your best interest to drag your feet if it's something that you've got to have. New construction may still offer you great incentives for the buyer side. So if you're looking in those growing areas out towards the suburbs, that's still a great option because of those interest rate incentives and some of the other things they're doing there. For sellers, the market's definitely more competitive, but it's not collapsing. Homes are moving faster than they did last month, so there's good momentum there. But if your pricing and presentation are not on point, you are going to struggle with more and more competition on the market. With that said, pricing is still probably a little bit too high, and a lot of sellers are a little too slow to react to it. So if you're not sure on where to price, probably best to be on the lower side of where you think, just because things aren't selling for quite the prices they were a year or two ago. So if you are looking to be in the market no matter what, whether as a buyer or a seller, strategy matters more than ever. And if you have questions about the best strategy for you as you move into your real estate making decisions, I would love to be a resource any way I can. For more details on what's going on in your exact neighborhood, as always, we talk about real estate being hyper local. If you have questions about what's going on in your area, feel free, reach out. Always happy to help. Thanks so much for listening, guys. Until next time.